Tata Steel has always accorded importance to healthcare facilities for the people living in far-off places and interior areas, along with its community development activities. To ensure that quality healthcare is available to people living in deep interior areas, Tata Steel has leveraged the services of a unique hospital on wheels, Lifeline Express, to make quality healthcare facilities that are available in big cities available to the people living in interior areas. Lifeline Express was first introduced in UK in 1981. Impact India started this service in India in collaboration with Indian Railways in 1991. This Jeevan Rekha Express or Lifeline Express is an assortment of a few compartments of a mobile train which have been converted into an ultra-modern hospital. This has got air-conditioned operation theatre, preliminary health checkup facility and post-operational care unit apart from living, dining facilities for doctors, nurses and other health workers. Tata Steel has joined hands with Lifeline Express as a major partner in 21 years of successful journey. The steel majors has brought this hospital on the wheels to different places of Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Odisha and provided quality health service to more than 24,000 people. Lifeline Express had made its maiden trip to Odisha in 1993 under the auspices of Tata Steel at Gopalpur. Since then, this special mobile hospital has arrived and rendered services at Bamnipal in 1998, Jajpur Road in 2005, Meramundali in January 2007, Jora in December 2007 and Jajpur Road for the second time in December 2010. During its last stationing at Jajpur Road railway station, the local MLA, Sri Priti Ranjan Gharai, had inaugurated this health facility in the presence of many senior Tata Steel officials. In its 25-day long stay at Jajpur Road station, Lifeline Express provided free health care to more than 4,000 people from Jajpur and adjoining districts. This commendable health service effort of Tata Steel was supported by Impact India, Government of Odisha, Indian Railways and Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Lifeline Express laid special stress on the treatment of a number of specific diseases. The specialist doctors of this rail coach hospital do health checkup of polio patients and children with cleft deformities and perform correctional surgeries. Also, they treat patients with optical and hearing deformities. Tata Steel takes up information campaign to inform the local people about the arrival of Lifeline Express. Health workers of TSRDS and local volunteers are roped in for this purpose. Tata Steel also makes arrangements for the arrival of the patients, their stay, fooding and arrangements for the return of patients and their relatives after the treatment. At first, the visiting doctors investigate about the ailments of patients and surgeries are performed whenever necessary. The patients are also provided with necessary medicines, tricycles, wheelchair, crutch and hearing aids, etc. No one should be deprived of quality healthcare facilities. Tata Steel committed for the community welfare has endeavored to turn this commitment to reality by hosting Lifeline Express to Odisha again and again.